In this video, we are going to attempt to download on a Mac machine Eclipse. So I went to the download link in our course, and we are going to choose the download here. I choose the x64. You will download the DMG file, save it. I'm going to say put it on your desktop. Then it will be easy to find. Once that downloads, then we will go to the desktop and proceed to the next step. Once you download it, we're going to double click on the DMG. I can drag that into applications. I already have it there, so we're just going to, I'll click replace. But if you noticed, it also opened up this Eclipse installer down here. I honestly don't know that that does anything. I think that's the same as dropping that in, so I don't think we have to do anything with that. If I open up applications, I'm going to run the Eclipse installer from here, and it says, are you sure? I'm going to say yes, and we're going to see what this does. Once we get the installer screen, you want to choose Eclipse IDE for Enterprise. And then this one is going to be set on the JRE 17.09 by default. If I choose, there is a 21 version. I would not install that one. Go with the default here. That's the 17.09. This is on a Mac machine. If you're on a Windows machine, you might have other options. And then you choose Install. Once it has downloaded, and if I didn't tell you before, you want to pay attention to where it is being installed. You can launch or you can open in the System Explorer. I'm going to choose Launch. You want to make sure that you know where that is being stored, because that's how you might need to find it and open it at times. You will need to choose a workspace. I'm doing this as a demo, so I'm going to call this a demo workspace so I can delete it later. Again, also pay attention to the path name to where your workspace is at. You can set it as a default if you would like. This is what your screen looks like when it launches. It automatically opens up in the welcome screen, and that welcome screen, you can choose always show welcome at startup or deselect that. We can close the welcome, and then we're going to start a new project. So I don't know if you can see, I'm going up to the file menu. You might not be able to see that. I'm going to file, new, and then if it doesn't have Java project, which it might not if this is the first time running, choose project, choose Java project, click next, and you will name your project. This is your project folder, so I believe you guys are to name it module 1. Spring 2024 is what I'm going to say. Deselect this create module-info.java file, and then you can click finish to start the, and you want to open in Java perspective, and remember that decision, open perspective, and then we have our first project. I'm going back up to the file menu, and I am going to choose to do or create a new class. So file, new class. And the Java class, I'm going to just name mine demo. This is where you usually put in your last name, and that should get you started. Public static void main, blah, blah, blah. And the other videos in the class will kind of pick up from here. So let's say that you've got your project done, etc. I'm going to close that. After you've completed your projects, you will need to go to your Finder and open up a new Finder window. This is actually in Camtasia, so let me see if I can open up my Finder. You're going to have to go to your local machine, hard drive, users, yourself, and then find the workspace that you were in. When you open up that workspace, go into the source folder. There's the file that you're going to upload once you get your assignments done. I can double click on that to bring up or open up Eclipse, and that'll be the file that we had just saw being created. That should do ya. Good luck.